Okay, so this is going to be a quick video. What I'm going to show you, if you have an issue with Norton where it shows your website as being false, like positive for scam or spamware or anything like that, then there is an easy fix where you can actually have Norton deal with this issue and fix it hopefully as quickly as possible. Sometimes, you know, your website might say caution, or sometimes it says untested, and this might fix the problem. So the first thing that you would do, I would say you would open up an account with safe.norton.com. And then once you open up an account with them, you go to activity and then go to my websites. And then once you come here, you just add your website's URL. And then once you do that, you have the ability to verify your website. So this is the next step. So once you come here, you'll get two options. And then the option that I'm going to show you today is this one, add a meta tag to your website. And it's simple. You just got to copy this code here. And that's all you got to do. And then you go to your website. And if you're using Numu, this is going to be very easy to do. And what you would do, just log into your dashboard, go to the builder, and then to your website, and then come down here and then go to custom codes. Once you click on custom codes, just add the code in the custom head markup section. And then you click save. Because I already have the code, so I'm not gonna save it. So I'm gonna discard the step. And then once that is done, you should be able to click verify, and then it will verify it immediately because the code is there. And then once you have done that step, the next step would be to submit a dispute. And this is simple, where you would just put, or automatically the email will be filled in. You choose category. Sometimes they'll let you choose category here, sometimes they don't. And then you choose your category accordingly. If it's an educational platform or, yeah, you just go through it. And then once you do that, you choose your category, and then you put a comment and submit. And then they should be able to come back to you after maybe like 4 to 7 business days. And sometimes they do it almost immediately. So that is one way of, you know, if your website is showing as either like a scam or caution, like tab there or something like that. Or if it says untested, this is one way of actually expediting the process for them to check your website for you. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you want a website that is a website builder that is simple, where you can create a simple website and add the codes as simple as I showed you now, then feel free to try numu.com. We have a 14-day free trial for you if you want to try it. So, all right, thank you.